How to fix Messenger image fail to load on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger image fail to load on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now apps again, and go to Messenger, and here we'll find storage and clear cache, and then go back and go back to your phone cache, to your phone storage, and click clean up. And now just wait for this one, junk files, and then just click on it and click clean up. Junk files or cache, just clean your phone cache, and then just go back and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it, it's easy. That's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. This is junk files, just click delete, and that's it, and see you in the next video.